well trained and are able to take on new initiatives. Having looked at the reforms and systems and processes for bringing about change, the project chose to focus implementation in the education sector. Education is a critical component for the realization of Faislabad's vision for its future.
पहले जो टीचर्स थे उनकी ना तो मेथडोलॉजी अच्छी थी, वो रोट मेमोरी पर जोर देना और बच्चों में इंटरेस्ट भी नहीं वो क्रिएट कर सकते थे.
A very important aspect is the introduction and implementation of the whole school development model, leading to well-rounded, healthier, happier students as well as faculty.
We opened a small institute of learning, and in which the basic aim was to train the primary level school teachers and the headmasters.
होल स्कूल डेवलपमेंट के हवाले से कई एक प्रोग्राम जो हैं जिसमें टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग्स, टीचिंग फैसिलिटीज़ और कम्युनिटी ट्रेनिंग के हवाले से प्रोग्राम शुरू किए गए.
ज़िले की हुकूमत के आने के बाद शोबा तालीम में बहुत से इनकलाबी इक़दाम किए गए और हमारे स्कूलों में WST के तहत काम हुआ. हमारे स्कूलों में स्कूल एनवायरनमेंट बहुत बेहतर हो गई, चाइल्ड फ्रेंडली एनवायरनमेंट है और इसके अलावा एक्टिविटी बेस्ड लर्निंग हो रही है. टीचर्स और पेरेंट्स के दरमियान बहुत बेहतर और पॉजिटिव एक रिलेशन डेवलप हुआ है.
स्टूडेंट्स की बेहतर लर्निंग टीचिंग मॉड्यूल जो है वो तैयार किए गए. तदरीसी किट्स, साइंस किट, मैथमेटिक्स जो है किट्स वो स्कूलों को प्रोवाइड की गई हैं. बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन के हवाले से ग्रांट दी गई है, जहां पर 70% जो है वो काम मुकम्मल हो चुका है. 30% स्कूलों में काम जो है वो अंडर प्रोसेस है. तो इस तरह से हमारी एनरोलमेंट जो है उसमें इजाफा हो रहा है.
We have been able to focus on around about 71,000 school children in the primary sector.
Through its public-private initiative and creation of the Institute of Learning, the CDGF has made significant headway on improving the delivery of education at many different levels.
सबसे पहले तो हम ऐसे स्कूल को असेस करते हैं जिसको ज़रूरत है काम की, नीडी स्कूल, उसकी बाकायदा एक प्रोफाइल बनाई जाती है. जब हमें कोई अडॉप्टर मिल जाता है तो हम MOU साइन करते हैं बाकायदा उसके साथ.
As a result of the public-private partnership cell in education, 65 schools have been adopted by different industrialists and philanthropists.
अस्तानियाँ बहुत अच्छे तरीके ਨਾਲ ਪੜਾਉਂਦੀਆਂ, ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਹਰ ਵਕਤ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੀ ਜਲਦੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਆ. ਅਸੀਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਉਹ ਤਦ ਵੀ ਸਕੂਲ ਆ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ. ਅਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਛੁੱਟੀ ਕਰ ਲਓ, ਫਿਰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਅੰਮੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਕੂਲੇ ਹੀ ਜਾਣਾ.
ਤਵੱਜੋ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਕਰਦੀ, ਕਿਤਾਬਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੀ ਸਹੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇਖਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ. ਹੁਣ ਜਦੋਂ ਦੀ ਟੀਮ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਮੇਰੀ ਬੱਚੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛਾ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਹੈ.
ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛਾ ਹੈ, ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛੇ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੀ ਪੜ੍ਹਾ ਰਹੀਆਂ. पहले बहुत खस्ता हाल सी, स्कूल टूटा भज्जा सी, कोई इमारत नहीं सी.
हम बाहर बैठा करते थे, सिर्फ एक कमरा हुआ करता था, लेकिन अब हमारे 2 कमरे और आ चुके हैं. हम सब क्लासें कमरों में बैठती हैं.
हमारे स्कूल में बहुत सी तब्दीलियाँ आई हैं. हमारे स्कूल में बिजली आई है और पानी आया.
Another feature of reforms was to assist the municipal administration and help them improve systems, especially in the water and sanitation sector. For this, Jaranwala town was selected as a pilot area. Jaranwala town is the largest town outside the city with a population of 1 million, facing significant water supply and contamination problems.
Water and sewerage has been a very problematic area. Now we've got exact data of potable water which is available in each town in district Faislabad.
Based upon the concerns of local people about quality of piped water supply in the town, chemical and bacteriological tests of drinking water were conducted.
The cause of contamination and low water pressure in the city area was identified. Town Nazim Jaranwala inaugurated the provision of water pumps. A scheme was launched to revamp the water supply system through provision of 3 new pumps, electrification and renovation of the pumping station.
City District Government Faislabad has also built the capacity of the TMA staff in the areas of strategic planning, contract implementation, preparation of the technical drawings, and to improve piped water supply revenues. This scheme has provided clean drinking water to more than 30,000 people in Jaranwala town.
पानी खड़े हो जाता सी बाजारां च मैं कि हुण सानू बहुत सुकून है।
पानी का कोई इंतजाम नहीं था, अब पानी पीने को मिल रहा है।
Monitoring and evaluation and strategic communication are important for evaluating the progress of departments and to replicate the message of reform. The monitoring and evaluation framework of the city district government is based mainly on performance indicators.
परफॉर्मेंस मैनेजमेंट इंट्रोड्यूस की है ताकि परफॉर्मेंस जो है वो हमें हर एक की पता चल सके और इससे हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में बेहतरी आए।
The district government uses tools such as corporate plans, strategic operational plans, monthly progress and performance reports for effective monitoring and evaluation.
City District Government Faislabad is confident that whatever they had planned to implement in the reforms program, they have been successful and they are within the resources and within the budget.
The website that's been created is www.faislabad.gov.pk. It's a very comprehensive website. In fact, there are now very few documents that exist within the City District Government's domain that have been created by the City District Government over the last, let's say, 2 years that are not on their website.
The total number of web hits has crossed more than 30,000. Other communication tools included monthly newsletters, radio programs and street theatre shows which have been attended by 31,000 people belonging to Kachiabadis and slum areas. On the request of the City District Nazim, a very detailed citizen perception survey has been conducted in Faislabad.
हर यूनियन काउंसिल का डिटेल सर्वे हमने करवाया है और उसमें हमें तफसील से हर चीज़ हमारे सामने आई कि कहाँ पे किस चीज़ की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है। स्कूल का प्रॉब्लम है, डिस्पेंसरी का प्रॉब्लम है, सड़कों का प्रॉब्लम है, नहरी पानी का मसला है या जानवरों का अस्पताल नहीं है। जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं वो हमारे सामने खुल कर आए हैं।
Based on the results, the CDGF has realigned development priorities and allocated resources to areas where they were most needed, with special attention given to Kachiabadis and the slum areas.
We carried out a national seminar here at Faislabad in which we invited around about 15 big districts, DCOs here with their district nazim. The people have shown a lot of keen interest of replicating the reforms what we have done here at Faislabad.
A 2-day conference entitled Embedding Quality Education for All Initiatives Across Pakistan was held on the 5th and 6th of March 2008 in Faislabad. This conference provided occasion to hold vibrant and intellectual conversations on reforms, initiatives for quality, equity, decentralization and governance. This was supported by evidence-based planning with the active partnership of all relevant stakeholders. More than 55 research papers were presented in the conference, which was attended by 300 professionals from across the country and overseas. To replace the arbitrary decision-making process with the evidence-based planning, the city government Faislabad has developed a geographic information system. High-resolution satellite imagery was used to identify exact administrative boundaries and to produce field survey drawings.
Our teams go into the field. We have started numbering each house of each town by involving the TMAs with us.
All field information was compiled to produce scale drawings with a detailed legend produced with the consent of the provincial government.
It exactly indicates the number of facilities available in each union council, the number of encroachments which have been carried out by the people.
A GIS application was developed to integrate it with other information systems.
So it is not only helping us in exactly informing us, it is being linked up with the HRIMS.
By using this GIS, we are implementing evidence-based planning in the district. The district government and TMAs have started using geographic information systems with scaled digitized maps for planning their future development programs. The district government implemented some innovative interventions like call centers, video documentation of different MISs, project documentary and case studies.
There was no access to the information to the general public. Most of the complaints, those were lodged to the competent officers. Those were misplaced and those were misdirected.
We have opened a customer service call center in which we have a toll-free number, and that is any citizen of Faislabad can always ring up that number, and that is also going to be linked up with the information system.
Using the call center facility, citizens can register and track the progress of complaints via telephone.
ये हमने सिस्टम बनाया कि जिस डिपार्टमेंट की कंप्लेंट है उसको हम फॉरवर्ड करते हैं और वो हमें फिर रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं।
वहाँ पे टोल फ्री नंबर पे इनको कॉल की है, अपना प्रॉब्लम उनको बताया है, तो उन्होंने फिर स्पेशली वहाँ से बंदे भेजे हैं प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के लिए।
सिटी डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नमेंट फैसलाबाद की मैं बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि उन लोगों ने कॉल सेंटर बनाया है जहाँ पे हम लोग अपनी कंप्लेंट को रजिस्टर करवा सकते हैं।
We have prepared around about 15 case studies. These all case studies cover all areas of reform programs like managing change, human resource management, financial management, education, and few other sectors. Strategic development plan was prepared to ensure that the future development of Faislabad occurs in a planned and integrated manner. We needed to develop a plan that could provide us a blueprint of the development needs of the district for 3 to 5 years. The financial outlay of the strategic development plan is around about 87 billion rupees. The provincial government has contributed 11 billion rupees and federal government has committed 5 billion rupees. And as for now, 89 schemes costing around about 10.5 billion rupees have been approved. After the completion and implementation of this plan, the overall service delivery in Faislabad district will improve and Faislabad will turn into a modern district having a strong infrastructure base. The sustainability part is a very important aspect and which we are giving a lot of attention nowadays because we are moving toward the sustainability once different leaves Faislabad.
A high level of ownership and buy-in virtually ensures that the implemented reforms continue to evolve in the desired direction. The success of the project has attracted the attention of other city administrations and can also serve as a blueprint for other development agencies working in good governance. The implementation of reforms in Faislabad has proved that improvements in systems and processes can bring operational efficiency and effectiveness, which leads to behavioral change to bring long-term institutional sustainability, better standard of services, improved infrastructure, and more economic development.
फैसलाबाद में रिफॉर्म्स जो हम लेके आ रहे हैं ये रातों रात 1 साल 2 साल में मुमकिन नहीं है। इसमें कम से कम 8 से 10 साल अगर ये रिफॉर्म का सिलसिला हम चलाते रहेंगे तो इंशाअल्लाह फैसलाबाद की मिसाल हर जगह कोट की जाएगी और फैसलाबाद एक बेहतरीन शहर बनकर उभरेगा।